Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Fetch.ai. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Fetch.ai, after a very massive rally, recently formed another descending triangle on the daily time frame chart. And now if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that on this daily time frame chart, still it is moving inside this descending triangle. Here we had a fake out from the resistance of the descending triangle, but the price and got rejected by this resistance of $3.48 and re-entered the same triangle and still moving between this support and resistance. By the way, this support of the triangle was previously breaking as a resistance here, and now it is flipped into a support that is approximately at $1.86. At the same time, recently, Fetch.ai has also found another uptrend line support as well, and now it is getting squeezed between this uptrend line support and the resistance of this triangle. And in today's video, we will analyze this move, and I would also like to show you once again this very massive breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern. And by the way, in my so many previous videos, I've been showing you this falling wedge pattern when it was moving here at the support of the wedge. I was telling you that now the movement is quite squeezed, and now we can expect that soon it can break out this pattern, and after that, the target will be here at the top of the wedge approximately at $1.30. And you can see that the price then rallied beyond that target. And so far from this low to this high, you can see that Fetch.ai has rallied more than 6,503%. But recently we found a quite strong resistance on here that starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48, and the price end could not break it out. And in today's video, we will analyze this resistance and this rally as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you, and you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Fetch.ai that I shared on 8th of May 2024 with my members, and that was a harmonic bullish reversal back move that Fetch.ai was completing on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line dropped more down and enter the buying zone here. Then we had a very nice pump. This was almost 10% pump. And after hitting the sell target zone, the price line again dropped down. Then we had a bigger pump. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me to take you to the live chart of Fetch.ai. And first of all, let me show you the daily time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past several days, it is moving inside this descending triangle. And now recently, we have also found this uptrend line support, and the price line is moving between the support, this uptrend line support and the resistance of this triangle. In case of breaking down this uptrend line support, it can again test the support of this triangle. By the way, in case of breaking down this descending triangle, the target to the downside can be here. That will be approximately at $1.12. But in my opinion, after breaking it down, it can also test this long-term support of $1.03 as well. And in case of breaking out the resistance of this triangle, the target to the upside will be here at $3.48. And in that situation, the pricing can also break out this long-term resistance on that starts from $3.12 and goes to $3.48. You can see that previously when we broke out this very massive resistance of the falling wedge pattern, then the price line started a very massive rally on this 7-day time frame chart. You can see that we broke out this wedge, then we broke out another channel and rallied more than 6,500%. But you can see that for the past few weeks, the price line is not able to break out this long-term resistance zone. We got rejection here and we got rejection here as well. Therefore, in order to continue this rally to the upside, we will still need to break out this long-term resistance on, and after breaking out this triangle, there will be a very high probability that the price then may break out this resistance on, because the target for the breakout from the triangle is here approximately at $4.09, and in that situation the price then can break out this long-term resistance on, and after breaking out this resistance zone, it will be flipped into a long-term support zone, and then this rally to the upside will be continued for the long term. So this was the update so far. I hope that you like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.